Hello and welcome. We are taking a look at Progress Tracker. As the name might suggest, it's a module made to track progress. Progress of what? I don't know. Whatever you wish. May it be skill challenges, where you have to pass like a certain number of checks. Maybe it's a chase scene. Maybe it's you are tracking progress. Maybe you are tracking food. Doesn't matter. It will track whatever you wish because really what the module does is it lets you make custom sliders. That's it. So you have two buttons here. Your players will see this one, the show progress tracker, but for the GM we have the configuration. I will explain how to show to the players later. Now I have one saved, but I'll make a new one. I hit that and I will be welcomed by this. Let's give it a name. New tracker. And now we want to give it a background image. As you can see in the module there are some included. We have, for example, grass, and we will select this grass. Now you can add two things to this, sliders and waypoints. Sliders are the ones you can move. Waypoints will be fixed in the progress bar. Or in the tracker, sorry. So let's add a couple of sliders. You can add as many as you want. And let's call it tracker 1. It's important that they have different names or they will override each other. Then let's pick some of this. Maybe you're tracking, I don't know, your crossbow. And let's add another one. Maybe you're tracking light. And light, sure. Let's add a waypoint. For the waypoint, we will use something different, like treasure. Let's say the treasure is at the end, so let's do like 90 maybe. And this is the percentage, so this means that this image will be at 90% of the progress tracker. And let's add another one. The order doesn't matter really. Light, maybe this is safety, like a safe house, and the safe house is like half. But then there is like something bad at 30%, yes. When you're done, hit save. Now, you will see we have our new tracker, and we have three buttons. The delete will delete it. Edit will open the window that we just saw, so you can change it. And the eye will show it. Keep in mind that if you edit it, the percentages stored will be reset to 0. So if we hit the eye, this will show it to you and to your players as well. This is made to be like a thing to be shared. There is no like GM only. And whenever you click one of these eyes into a scene, it will assign this bar to the scene. What does this mean? It means that in this scene, if a player clicks on Show Progress Tracker, it will show the one that you last clicked the eye on in this scene. The progress, though, is shared between the scenes, so it's not the same everywhere. The second thing is that, so if I choose another one, like if I use my chase, now if my player clicks on the button, it will show the chase. If I close Foundry, reopen it, my players logs in, the bar doesn't open on its own, they click on this, they will see this one. When you click the show, this will also open it for the players. But in the event that the players like mid-refresh or something, they can always click here to show it. You can resize it. I have it like quite large, but you can resize it however you want, and it will save the size and the position in theory. Now let's go. Let's close this and let's go back to our new. As you can see, it kept the same position. Now in your slider, you can now move your stuff. You can use any image. I'm just using like some stuff from Game Icons because it was free and I included those in the module. But you can use whatever. And this will, when you change this, the change will be reflected on your player side as well. You can resize it and they will keep their relative position. Now you can go very big. It will look kind of weird at some point, but I was like, yeah, sure, why not? Maybe you want it larger for some reason. But yeah, you can keep it there. And it will stay there. You can minimize it, you can reopen it. And there you go. You can track anything. Make whatever bar you wish. Have fun with Progress Tracker, whatever your use is. I don't even know what the main use is, but I thought it was super cool, so I made it. Have fun!